Hi, just a quick video on this Dyson. Not sure what model it is. Doing a little service on it. What problem I found, which everybody has probably had before on these, is the noise it makes when you're switching on or switching it off. So I'll demonstrate that and show you how to fix it, because you probably think it's broken and it's not. Right, let's go and put it on now. You hear that noise? Now turn it off. Once more. And turn it off. Well, I'm thinking, oh no, motor's going. But I'll show you, in fact, what it is and how to fix it. So we need to go down here, and you need to put your fingers in there and unscrew that. This is where one of the air filters are on the side, like that. So what it is, you can just see here that it actually moves off the catch. So click it back into position. That's the right position where it should be. So what you do is you unclick it, and you can actually take it off to clean it or whatever. And there's the inside. There's the little black fin. I don't know, say a carbon filter. So what we've been finding it's doing is that when the missus has been hoovering, yeah, I do on occasion, but when the missus has been hoovering, she's been bashing it off the skirting boards. So when you're bashing the hoover off the skirting boards on the front, it dislodges this. So it's like that normally, but then all the bashing and bashing going on, it dislodges it. So then it makes it loose like that. Well, that's not a proper fitting, so then it makes that howling noise. So you click it in. I'll do a little hack on it that would probably prevent it from doing that. One, you can actually just bend this out a little bit, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stick this piece of paper and wedge that in behind it. Shouldn't affect the hoover. If you can think of anything else, you could probably wedge behind it. I don't know, a bit of blue tack or something. So then we'll try and put that back on, put it together. A bit fiddly. There, and then just click. That's actually a tighter click, that. So that's a lot tighter on there now than what it was. Maybe before I could loosen it dead easy, but now it's pretty stiff. So we'll put this back together. You've got to find that thread. It is a bit fiddly. That thread's got to go into that hole in the back of there. So I tend to tip the hoover to one side over that way, and you find it a lot easier to put it on, which I'll do in 1 second. There we go. Just tip it to one side and just then he's got to get this bit, that bit into there first. Get in, it's fine on. Right, and spin that back on, and keep turning till you hear a click. There you go, and that's tight. Now I'll pick the hoover back up, and then we'll switch it on. Hi Loki, you had a bath, girl? You had a bath? Have you been in the bath? Nice and clean? Smell of flowers? Loki? Loki one. Ooh, would you be in the bath? Anyway, back to this. So we'll try this and switch it on. Look, I'm going to switch the hoover on. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. I mean, yeah, it's full of crap and everything. Needs emptying, like I said. Needs an overhaul. But I fixed the problem of that noise. So your hoover isn't broken. All it is just that shitty filter that Dyson I thought was a good idea to put in. But there you go. Like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Adios amigos.